Sure. Below is a script idea for a YouTube video on your channel, Car Hubz, featuring the Vigo Dalla, a popular pickup truck. Feel free to tweak it to your style and tone. Hey, what's up, Car Hubz family? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the action. Today, we've got something pretty special for you, a deep dive into the Toyota Vigo Dalla. If you're a fan of tough, reliable, and hardworking trucks, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. The Toyota Vigo Dalla, known for its impressive durability and solid performance, has been a staple in the world of utility vehicles, whether you're using it for work, hauling cargo, or just looking for something that can handle tough conditions. The Vigo Dalla has a reputation for being nearly indestructible. So, let's talk about what makes this beast tick. First up, the engine. Under the hood. This truck is powered by a 2.5-liter or 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine. That means you've got plenty of torque to get you through just about anything. Whether you're climbing up a mountain pass or towing heavy loads, this truck won't back down. Power output varies depending on the model, but it's solid enough to handle some serious work. Plus, the fuel efficiency is pretty impressive for a workhorse like this. Moving on to design and build quality. Now, the Vigo Dalla isn't the flashiest truck out there, but it sure knows how to get the job done. The exterior is built tough with rugged lines and solid construction. You can see that Toyota's focus here was all about function over form. And it's a design that's held up well over the years. One of the standout features of the Vigo Dalla is its truck bed. It's designed to carry a heavy payload, and trust me, it can handle it. Whether you're using it for business or weekend trips, you can load it up with gear, equipment, or even a full load of bricks, and it won't bat an eye. Now, let's take a quick look at the interior. As you can see, it's not luxury by any means, but it's functional and built to last. The seats are durable. And the dashboard layout is simple yet effective. It's a no-nonsense space designed for drivers who want comfort without all the unnecessary frills. You'll find a solid infotainment system here, along with essential controls that are easy to access, even on rough roads. This truck is all about practical usability. So, is the Toyota Vigo Dalla still worth it in 2024? The answer is absolutely yes. With its reliability, strong performance, and low maintenance costs, this truck remains a go-to for many businesses, farmers, and off-road enthusiasts. It's perfect for those who need a workhorse that can get the job done without breaking the bank. Whether you're in the city or taking it off the beaten path, the Vigo Dalla stands out as a tough and dependable option. Plus, with Toyota's reputation for long-term durability, it's a truck you can count on year after year. So that wraps up today's review of the Toyota Vigo Dalla. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this truck. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another review. I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe.